Is this the little Ford like my mom had?
Here we got a 55 Ford, and I don't know Ford Motors, man. Is that a
Looks like what mom had.
big block or something?
Yeah.
But that's not Vikings Ford Racing, whatever, racing motor. I don't know what this is. I mean, I know some stuff, but I don't know everything. But obviously this motor is putting out something for sure. MSD ignition. Big, wide, fat aluminum radiator with 2 electric fans. It's got the power steering in it. It's manual brakes but dual master cylinder. It's got the alternator set up. And tuck and roll, interior, what is for sale here? Automatic. But a racing shifter. Ford Colbert 428. Maybe that's what the hell's in it. I don't know. It's a nice blue too. It's a nice medium blue, fine metallic, very clean, very straight. To look down at it in the sun, it looks very good. You're always seeing Chevys. You're not seeing as many Fords, you know. I mean, there's a lot of Thunderbirds out here, but not too many, you know, Fords, like regular Fords. It's a nice car, man. Nice and clean. I like them when they're simple like this. It's got all the gauges mounted in the dash there too, nice and clean, like they grew there. Tack is up there where you can see it. Interior is great, man. I mean, these seats really, they're aftermarket seats, but they go in here very well with the right type of upholstery. Viking Motorsports Racing. I don't know what the engine is, man. Somebody's gonna tell me. I don't know. It's got 2 breathers on it, valve covers here. Here's your starter relay. I always like that about the old ones. You can just jump it right across there and start, bump start. If you're doing something with the timing or maybe the valve adjustment, it's always nice to have that. You put the 2 alligator clips on there with your starter button and bump the engine. MSD ignition with the guess that's a fuel, and he's got a fuel regulator there, and the fuel pressure after the regulator. So I guess he's got a throttle body, fuel system. Fuel injection system, throttle body. I guess that's what that is. I assume. No, it's a carburetor.
Have one of these things.
Huh. I don't know. And it is lowered a little bit. Sitting low.